Hello, thanks for joining me today here at the Computer Workshop and Tech Talk with Terry. Today we're going to be talking about CompTIA. Who is CompTIA? CompTIA is a certification body who partners with government and industry to build standards for their certifications that will serve the individual well who is trying to launch their career into IT. So CompTIA has over 14 certifications, but the foundational certification that you need is that A+ certification. So if you're just starting out your walk in IT, you will want this certification. Now, how do you get prepared for it? That's where we come in, the Computer Workshop. There are two exams, Core 1 and Core 2. Each have a 35-hour prep course for the exam. So with that prep course, you're going to get a course instructor-led training, flashcards, a portal that will have flashcards in them, will have practice tests, quizzes, all the things that you need to practice and prepare and ace that exam. Then, once you have the certification, what kind of job can you get, right? So you can go right out into the industry. You'll see on the job boards that CompTIA A+ requirement. You will have a certification that you can serve up to get that desktop technician, a help desk technician, a entry-level network support or admin system support jobs. So any of those would serve you well getting into an IT organization. Now, this certification is good for 3 years. Now, you don't want your certification to lapse, right? It's so easy to renew it. All you need to do is have 20 hours of continuing education units over those 3 years. You upload those CEUs into your certification portal, and your certification will automatically renew. Thanks for, hopefully that helps you. If it does, please like and share, and always subscribe to the Computer Workshop channel as we bring educational videos to you on a weekly basis.